Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you a little bit about what I do a couple times a year to clean my boats and to protect them. I only do this a couple times when I come from the coast or when they're getting really dirty. I don't do it every time by any means. As you can see here, we've got a lot of buildup, dust, mud down open over here, and the hatches, the sun protectant's worn off, so we're going to come back at the end of the day, bring some life back into those. All right, we got the boat here in the shop. These are a few of the things I'm going to use to do a little bit more detail work on here. I have the magic eraser. We got some black marks on the front of the nose of the boat from riding the back of the bed of the pickup truck. That'll help take some of that off. We're also going to use 303 aerospace protectant, one of the best UV protectants out there. And we're going to be using this on the hatches and any of the black material here. Really give some UV protectant and bring the shine back into that. And I'm going to use a brush to get it in on the crevices, and a microfiber towel to clean it all back out. So as I go up front here, Justin, get a shot of this. We got these black marks up here. So get one of these magic erasers. And you can get a lot of that stuff off there. You can see how much is on here. It really helps clean that up quite a bit. Now we'll get to the 303. And you can see we still have a little bit of dirt and stuff in here from the wash, but a lot of this we're going to get in with the brush in the 303 and squirt it down really good and then get a lot of protection back in here from the sun. Just work it in really, really good. Then come back with your towel and wipe the rest back up. And now look at that deep, dark, black shine. It's got all that cleaned up. Gonna have a lot of UV protection. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to pretty much any of the components here, the lid, the drive unit, the hatches. Don't spray this anywhere where you're gonna be standing. It is very, very slippery, so just be mindful of that, but put it everywhere else. A couple sprays here and there, wipe it down, keep putting it in, and it'll just bring everything right back to life. You can see that one and see how dull this is here. And that's the goal. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish doing the whole boat. It'll take me 10-15 minutes to do the whole thing, and then we'll show you the whole thing once it's all shined up and protected. So that's how we do our cleaning and our detailing of our boats. We do this a few times every year. Also, if we go to the coast, we'll do it more often. You can see how beautiful everything cleaned up. The shine's back into all the plastic and ABS parts. So the UV protectant really helps. Do that a few times a year at least, and your boat will be magnificent for longer. It'll hold off against the UV rays for the sun and be much better off. If you have any other suggestions for me on things I can do better, leave them in the comments down below. I'd love to hear them and try myself. As always, appreciate y'all coming hang out with us. Catch you in the next one.